In this video, I'll be showing you how to create an e-commerce website for dropshipping using Wix. Wix is an all-in-one booking platform where, not all-in-one booking platform, but all-in-one CMS platform where you can do a lot. You can create websites, you can create mobile apps, and the CMS is very versatile. It gives you the ability to create all manner of websites like e-commerce websites, booking websites, and even portfolio websites. So in this case, we want to create an e-commerce website. So the first thing we're going to do is to create a new site. After having logged into your Wix editor, want to create a new site. I'm going to close this particular one. And how would you like to start creating? Build with the Wix editor. I'll click on build with the Wix editor. Do not use the Wix Studio for this. The Wix Studio is still in beta version, is still a work in progress. I'm going to click on setup without chat. I don't want to use AI for this. I want to be in control. So for this, what kind of website do I want to build? I want to build an online store. And it's going to ask me online store, online this. I'm going to have to choose the kind of store, but I don't necessarily have to specify whatever it is that I'm going to be selling. I'll just click on continue and it's preparing my dashboard. Yeah, I'm going to continue. I'm just going to say online fitness store. And then I'm going to click on continue. Do you already have an online store? I'm going to say no, I'm just starting out. If you already have one, you can say yes, I'm already selling online. I don't see the necessity of that. I'll click on continue. And what kind of products are you selling? Physical products, dropshipping products, services, print-on-demand products, digital products. I'm going to click on dropshipping since we are doing a dropshipping store. I'll click on continue and it's going to ask me, how are you offering your products? Online store, marketplaces, and social media. So I could choose these two and then I'm going to click on continue and it's going to say continue to dashboard. Now it's taking me to my dashboard. Now here we have a number of things we can do. Add your own products, set up shipping and delivery, set up payment methods, all of that, design your website, connect your custom domain. We are going to come to all of this later on, but I want to focus on this. Sell your drop shipping or print on demand products. I'm going to click on find products. And it brings me to this page. And this is powered by Printful. So you could explore products here. This is actually our print on demand. This is a print on demand section, and this is the drop shipping section. If I now come to the drop shipping section, you see you could find products, women's products, jewelry, kids, babies, beauty and health, and all that. Let's just say I want to look for beauty and health products. If you want to sell things like supplements, floral water, whatever it is, I could just say add products, and then it's going to bring me add the selected products to your store. Now I want to X out of this for now. I just want to see how it works. And it's going to say find thousands of products from your top suppliers, from clothes, shoes, furniture, all of these. I'm going to click on next. And it's going to tell me make a profit. And we're going to be using Modalyst. I'll go to next. And then close. So I'll instead click on where you see Modalyst, explore products. And it's going to bring me to a page where I can see all the products which are on offer, which I can add to my website. Now I'm brought and I'm told that there are more than 647,861 products available. So since I chose health and beauty, that's the reason why I'm being sent all of these products. But in case I wanted to search for another category, let's just say I want to look for Christmas since it's December right now. I want to look for Christmas products. I could hit on that and it's going to display Christmas products which I can add to my website. You can see bed covers, designs. You can see all of these here. I could begin to select my products from here. How do I do that? Simply bring your mouse over and click on import, add to import list, add to import list, add to import list, add to import list. So when you click on anyone and you add it to import list, it's going to be added to your website. I'll say add to import list, this, and this. By the way, just so you know, make sure every product you add on your website has above 4 stars. 4 stars. And if it has 5 stars, then the better. If, for example, this one has 4.3 is good. This one is excellent. But if you find a product that has below 4 stars, do not add it because you may run into problems with your suppliers. You may also run into problems with your customers. They may start asking for reviews. Anything below 4 stars shows that the product is not very, very good. Now, there are several ways you can filter by most relevant, best sellers, new arrivals, prices, low to high, high to low, new brands. So you can filter by all of that. I don't know how to filter by ratings here. I don't know if there's a functionality for that, but make sure all of them have very good reviews. Now on the left side, you see something that says import list. I'm going to click on that. And it's going to go ahead and import all those products. Actually, I selected 9 products. These are all the products here. And you can now come and begin to customize these products as you so desire. So these are all the products which I imported. You can change the name here. It says maximum product name length is 80 characters. So which means I will need to go to the end of this description and remove some characters. And then you can put the collection. You can say vendor. I'll say business way out. That's for that. And then that's general. You can go to description. You can add the product description here. And then you can check the variant. If there are any of these variants you don't want to sell, let's say you don't want to sell this particular one, you can toggle it off. If you don't want to sell this one, you can toggle it off. If you change your mind, you can toggle it back on, and then you can adjust. You can't adjust the inventory, but you can change the colors here by writing out the actual color. Let's say this one is red. I don't think anybody is going to want to see something like number hash 7 or 7 hash. Then when you come to pricing, you will see the price for this. The item costs 38 euros, and the price for this is 101.25 euros. The shipping is 3.75. So you make a profit. You're actually making a loss because the shipping is going to be 3.75. So you want to adjust the price. Maybe you want to sell this at $5. So if you put that at $5, you're making a profit of 1.12 euros. And the same for this, it costs $38. You can also make it $5.25 so that you don't sell at a loss. I don't know anybody who wants to sell at a loss. So you can go ahead and do this for every other product here. You can go ahead and do this for every other product. Come down here, do it for this one too. When you're done editing, make sure to select all of these. Select all of these, click on select all on this page, or you can select everything at once. And you want to choose the option to add to store. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to add all of these products to my store. And since this product is now available on your store to view and manage it, go to synced products. Go to sync products. So I have added all of these products to my store. After adding these products, the next thing you need to do is to go back to your website and to design. So if I come back to my website, this is my site. I'm going to click on select site. And next, I want to go to design your website. I'll click on that, design your website. And it's going to prompt me to use a template you can generate using AI. I'll just click on pick a template. And it brings me to this template here. And automatically it detects that I have an e-commerce store. So I can pick any of these e-commerce templates here. I think I'm going to go with this one. It looks very much like what I'm doing. I'm going to go with this one, gift shop. Now I'm brought to this page. I'll just X out of this. I won't go with this. I'm going to X out of that. And if I come to my store, I just zoom out here. You see the store already with all of this. It's a ready-made template. If I scroll down and scroll down, so you begin to see these are products, some of the products which I've added. I think these are some of them, Christmas products. And if I come to the pages, and if I want to go to the shop page, or if I go to product page rather, it's going to show me a sample product which I uploaded. one of the things which I imported from Modalyst. You can see this aluminium Christmas something. I don't know why it's changed, but it was showing me something from. I'll come back. I want to come back to my product page again. It was showing me one of those products which I imported from Modalyst. It's loading again. So I hope this time around it's going to show me the same product. I'll go back to the product page. Where's the product page? It should be somewhere here. Okay, it says Wix store down here. I'll close this. Go to pages, product page. And it should load now. I'll zoom. And you can see that on the background. This is the aluminium something. And it's changed again. So what that entails, what that means is that I'm supposed to, if I change the product here, I'm supposed to delete all the products which came with this particular theme, because they are blocking my actual products from being shown. So I'll go to the back end and delete some of them. So on the back end of my website, I'll just come to catalogs, go to store products, and go to all products. And I can delete the sample products which came with the template, like this. I'm a product, 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 I'm a product. All of these. I want to leave just my dropshipping products. Now, it appears only one of them was imported. I can go and import the other ones. So for now, I'm just going to delete all of these. This I'm a product, I'm a product, I'm a product. And I'll move all of these more actions. I'll delete all of these. Yes, I'll delete all of those. And you see this aluminium, which was imported from our dropshipping supplier. So if I reload this page right now, I'm going to reload it, and it's going to prompt me to go back to the product page. If I should now come back to my products, I'll click here to this product page, and you're going to see it's going to load that particular Christmas product. You can see it now here. I don't know why all of these are showing. So this is the product. This is the product. Now we have that set. If I go back to my page and I want to go back to setup, and I want to come and set up payments, I'll click on set up payments. You see we are here. I'm going to change this. Probably I want to use United States. United States. I'm going to select my country, so that it's going to show me the available payment systems, the payment gateways. And I could connect either debit, credit, or debit cards with Wix. I'll click on connect. And then you see adult services, all of these. These are things which are not allowed. And do you sell any of these prohibited? I will say no, I don't. I'll click on agree, accept, and continue. And it's going to connect me to, try to connect me to a number of providers. You can use Apple Pay, you can use Google Pay, you can use Afterpay, you can use Affirm, you can use Klarna, Tap to Pay on mobile, Wix point of sale, and all that. You could connect all of those and just click on continue. And it's going to tell you that for you to use any of these payment gateways, you need to upgrade your account. So if you want to upgrade your account, please use my link in the description to upgrade your Wix account. I'm going to put a link in the description. It's an affiliate link. And when you pay using that link, I make an affiliate sale, which helps me continue running this channel. So I'll go back. And the same thing with Apple Pay and all that. And it's also going to be the same thing with PayPal and Stripe. If you want to connect them, you must be upgraded. So that is that about how to set up a dropshipping website using Wix. If you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I put out other videos. God bless you. Peace.